So we have a honey, a flashlight, some colored crayons, and the mystery bead kit tool. Which bead kit tool could we use to see in the dark?
How about a flashlight?
Great idea, George Gabriel. If we can use the flashlight, then we can see in the dark. We've got bee ears. Say cheers. Okay, so we still have the honey, some colored crayons, and the mystery bead kit tool. Which bead kit tool could we use to draw something? The colored crayons. Right. If we can use the colored crayons, then we can draw something. Sounds like fun. We've got bee ears. Say cheers. Can we use a honey to pull this flower out? Nah, that will be a mess and sticky. Oh, that means it's time for the mystery bead kit tool. Everybody say mystery bead kit tool. Mystery bead kit tool. And the mystery bead kit tool is a strong arm. That means the strong arm will help us to pull the flower out. So let's try this trick. We've got bee ears. Say cheers. Gosh, only the honey is the left. Can a honey help us to put it on the cake? So let's try it. We've picked all our big cake tools. Say super bee cheers.